Welcome to this video. In previous video, we saw what is statistics with respect to data science and what is data analysis. In this video, we will see what is data. So the data is piece of information and the data is informative or non-informative is totally depends on context. For someone, data is useless. So for him, data is uninformative. And for someone, it might be important one. So it is informative. Remember that in real world project, you always have to check the incoming data to your system is informative or not as per your task. So we know data comes from many sources like IoT sensors, CCTV camera, clickstream, images, text, and many more. In fact, most of the data we get from real world is unstructured, like you can think about a video, and the major problem is to filter these data to informative one. In most cases, we convert unstructured data into structured data, and one of the common structured data is a table with rows and columns, like an Excel file or a data emerged from relational database. So there are two basic type of structured data. As you can see, first one is numeric data and second one is categorical data. And numeric data come in two form. First one is continuous data and second one is discrete data. Continuous data can take any possible value at measurement scale, like speed. It can be 1 kilometer per hour, 1.2 kilometer per hour, 1.0002 kilometer per hour. Whereas discrete data can take only specific value, especially integer value, like number of views on my YouTube video, number of apple, and many more. Now come to categorical data. So categorical data can take value only from given set of values, like country. So country can only take values which already exist in world. And there are two special case of categorical data. First one is binary data and second one is ordinal data. Binary data can only take value from one of two values, like it can take true value or false value, 1, 0, and yes or no. And for ordinal data, its value can be ordered, like a movie rating, like 4 star is greater than 1 star, 2 star is less than 1 star, and like this. So in this video, we covered what is data and their types, and these are informative one or not. In next video, we will discuss about population and sample. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet you in next one.